Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry and Mowers and Blowers. Morning. I got this new pressure washer that I was reviewing. Of course, I couldn't just do a small little section. I got a little carried away because you can't just leave it after you're done with the review, right? You saw a big difference in the way it was clean and dirty, so I'm gonna finish the entire deck. But first, and also some nut wants to see this. Can you believe it? I've winterized it. Gotta put some gas, see if it starts up. And meet him in the morning. Maybe I'll sell him a push mower, huh? This is one of those Franken mowers. I found the deck with a bad engine. I put another engine on here with the quantum engine. From what I remember, runs pretty good. I got it listed for $85. No bag. Push button primer. I'd be lucky to get 85. This thing hasn't run in over a year. But from what I remember, it works. Whether it primes or not, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe put some more. Trickle, trickle, trickle. What do you guys think? It'll start? It'll start, be great. Some more primer. Cool. Takes a little bit, but looks like it all works. As you can see, I'm getting ready to attempt to sell my first push lawnmower using my Sketchy truck. Pretty cool. I have it listed for $85. It's kind of a crappy mower. I believe the engine was blown and I replaced it with an old quantum engine on it. Quantum engine is one of those primer bulb kinds. I hate them. Vibrates a little bit because the blade's probably not brand new. That's why I only listed it for $85. I'll sell it for as low as 50 bucks just to get rid of it. But it'll be an experience because I've never sold anything from using this truck. I don't even know where I'm going to put the camera to show you guys, but we'll see what happens. Did you guys see that? Because the location I had this camera, you couldn't really see shit. But anyway, guy came. Obviously, he's wearing a veteran's hat. I told him, thank you for your service. He was like, oh, I appreciate it. And I'm like, do you guys like hearing that? Because some people are sick of hearing it, you know? He's like, no. I'm very proud of what I did. And I appreciate people appreciating what we did, you know? So he welcomed my thank you for your service comment. And nice guy, you know, we, pulled started a few times. He pulled started a few times. And he says, would you take 70? And of course, in the beginning, I was like, oh, 85 is a pretty good price these days, you know, for even a simple push mower without a bag. But the man defended our country, you know? How could I say no? So, 70 bucks. Hey, if I can give a $15 break to a veteran, I'm all for it, man. So, sold my fourth mower of the year, my first push mower of the year, and my first push mower using the Sketchy truck. Worked out pretty well. It is pretty high up, though. And of course, the 50 bucks of it is going right into a tank of E85. I'm gonna show you how satisfying it is. I'm gonna. All right, so I did that already, right? Check out how satisfying this is. I want to keep going, you know. As you know from my current project, the Garden Works or Garden Way tractor, these are the parts of it. The side deflector, the top of the hood, sides of the hood, and the front nose. Well, as long as I got it out, might as well power wash it. Just got this in the mail. It's a Villa camping lantern from Flextail. It's really cool. It's super small. You turn it on, and you can adjust from yellow to bright white, right? And then you got the intensity over here. Look at that. Great for emergencies at home during blackouts and power outages. You could take this with you on a camping trip, be next to the campfire. It has a switch here that has the bars to show you how much it's been charged. It's full. Over here, you plug in your USB-C included cable and charge this baby up. Fantastic. Look how small it is. I mean, you can just put this in your pocket or something. Really cool. From Flextail. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Very handy. Cool. Been sitting here for about...
Yeah, no, I was going to use it for rebuild. Yeah. But I just got a bunch of other tractors. I don't need tractors? The shuttle. Use the turn of the blade. It's been for 6 months, so a little bit of rust. But it's pretty well in there. That's for the rear hanger. There's a bar. And it's set.
This one, I didn't even want this truck. As you said, was there a guy that works with me? Hey, my own business truck is like new, man. I don't know if you work. It works after I work on it.
That's exactly what I do too, man. Just pick shit up, get it fixed. What do you do for a living? Not this. I don't do anything. No, not really. No. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Really? Yeah.
So I just got this in the mail. I mentioned in a previous episode that I had a subscriber named Mark who was going to send me some parts that I need to finish or help finish this latest project of my MTD. And also, he had a couple of parts for the PYT 9000. I love it how subscribers, if you don't buy stickers or donate to the channel, they send me parts to projects that I'm doing. So as a result, I'm going to shout him out. He's Mark, and he sells a ton of stuff on eBay. Some small engine stuff because he's a trash picker like us, okay? We pick up a lot of stuff. And he has lots of small engine parts. But his main inventory are appliance parts. So if you guys would like to check out his store, he's got thousands of products in his inventory. And it's called Liquidation Flips on eBay. I love that. Flips. He's a flipper too. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out his eBay store. And he's a fellow subscriber, so support your own. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is what he sent me. I wonder if that's money. We'll look at that in a second. Well packed. He's used to packing stuff, right? So he asked me what parts I needed. And I told him that I was missing the lens on this tractor, right? When I picked this up, it had the hood and the sides of the hood together with it, but it didn't have the lens. And so he asked me what kind of lens that was, and I showed him a picture of what it looks like, and he had this tractor in his backyard. It's not complete, so he's willing to take it off and give it to me. Man, that's awesome. I'm going to install it right now. There's the hood.
Henry, that's not gonna fit.
Oh, shut up. I just learned how to do that. It's pretty exciting. I'm sure it goes on better, but I'll work with that later. But check it out. Complete hood now. Thanks to my boy Mark. What else we got over here? Holy cow. Excellent packing, man. Ooh. Fancy schmancy. Look at that. It's the height adjusting shifter bracket with bezel for Craftsman's and AYP product, even Husqvarna's. Looks like he gave me the hardware along with it. There we go. I love it when they do that. Thank you so much, Mark. This is going to work out great. Should I install it? And the final one, after I dug into literally 100 bags. Hey, good insulation, man, and lightweight too. A yellow shifter knob for the height adjustment for the PYT 9000. Now it's going to look more stock than ever. Thank you so much to my subscriber friend Mark. Once again, if you want to check out what he has in stock, maybe a lot of you guys may need parts that he definitely has. In his inventory of tens of thousands of items over at Liquidation Flips on eBay. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description for his eBay store. Go check it out. He's a fellow subscriber, and he sent me parts that I need for my next project. Hope you Holy cow, that took me a long time. The holes, I was just trying to line them up, you know what I mean? It's just so hard to get in there too, you know? This light actually came in very handy because I couldn't see jack. I don't want to see jack, but I mean, I had to see something. So, and this thing would not go on. I had to use a lot of lubricating liquid wrench to get it on there, some penetrating oil. Just to get it on there. Man, this is really on there. That's it. This is done now. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief episode of stuff that I'm doing around the house while selling a mower. And the season is in full swing. I'm going to try to get some of these tractors going. And stay tuned for the engine. We're going to take this engine and flip it upside down, take it apart, and see exactly why it has no compression. I'm thinking the connecting rod is busted, but not bad. So if I had a connecting rod to that, we could probably rebuild this engine. If we find out in the next episode that we can't rebuild it, right? I'll probably sell it for parts and put my cracked block, JB welded, Kohler Courage 20 horsepower engine in this baby. And then hopefully in a couple of episodes, we'll be able to get this thing going and listed for sale. Thanks a lot for joining me, guys. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.